I Am Not an Elephant by Karl Newson and Ross Collins. Hello, elephant. I am not an elephant. You are. You've got an elephant's pointy nose. You've got an elephant's flappy ears. Ha! No, not I. I am not an elephant. An elephant parps, but I do not. I growl like an owl. Grrr, turr. I beep like a sheep. Bye. I quack like a yak. Quack. I meow like a cow. Me ooh. Ooh ooh ooh. You smell like an elephant. Smelephant. I am not a smelephant. I'm a melon. I'm small, round, and tasty. Bah! No, I am not tasty at all. I taste horrible. Yuck! I'm a moose. No, you're not. You don't look anything like a moose. Maybe not, but it's what's on the inside that counts, don't you think? Or you'd be a brush, and you a gherkin, and you, madam, an umbrella. I am a moose, and I am amazing. I'm definitely not an elephant, am I? Pop! Ha! What a silly old bunch. Now, at last, it's time for lunch. But Gah! I'm not a moose. No, not any more. Did you hear my roar? Yes, I'm a dinosaur.